Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're going to do a couple unboxings, unbaggings actually right now, okay? So, the first one we're going to do, oh, I thought I took my address off, is we are going to unbag the Tribe Beauty Box. Now, yes, this is a little late. However, our curator and owner of the Tribe Beauty Box reached out to us to let us know that it would be a little late this time because y'all know we got some shipping issues going on right now. Stuff is just sitting, it's not making it in, and even being caught up in customs. So she did let us know that that was the case and that it would be here soon. And I have it today, so I would like to share that with you. For those of you who do not know about Tribe Beauty Box, I'm going to leave all the information down below. So that way, if you would like to try it out for yourself, everything you'll need to know will be down below. Okay, so when we open it up, and as you know, it is all full-size products, and it is a minimum of 5. So everything is wrapped in bubble wrap as well as in the bubble packaging to ensure it gets here in the best possible condition. Then we receive our description card and it says, "Hello beautiful, here's what is in your Tribe Beauty Box," okay? And I do have a referral code if you would like to save some money on your first box. All right, so let's just open it up and see what products we received. It's been a while. I know there was something here that we were that we got to choose. I just don't remember what it was now, so let's just get going. So the very first item that we have is by Lurelle Cosmetics. I usually don't do the palettes first because we like to swatch. I just want to make sure that we don't get the eyeshadow all over the other products. But I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we will come back and swatch it at the end, okay? So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is called Totally Tubular. And it says, "Tubular eyeshadow palette will give you all the nostalgic feels of the 80s. This 20-color palette features 80s inspired high pigment shades, perfect for bold glam. Remixed between velvety, buildable mattes and metallic shimmer shades for iconic looks that will turn heads." And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $29. Now, I do like what the packaging looks like. The inside looks just like the outside, okay? And it says this does have a 12-month shelf life. It does come with a mirror, which will cover so you're not blinded by what you see. These are some beautifully bold shades. How about that? Oh, they are beautiful. I'm kind of feeling this right here. So we will come back in. Oh, this is gorgeous as well. Each of the shadows, they have a name, but we'll come back and we will swatch them before this section of this part of the video is over, okay? So that is the first item. Then the second item is by Nomad Cosmetics. Okay, this is the item that we got to choose, all right? And it says "Around the World." And because this was a variant, like I said, the one I have is called "Around the World." The other one was Sydney Beather's Highlight, but it says a multi-dimensional prismatic sapphire pearl finish highlighter featuring a dual chrome glow shade inspired by the Owl of Koh Phangan in Thailand. that hosts the infamous full moon parties. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $17. Now, it does have a mirror, but look at that shade. Okay, beautiful. All right, I didn't put a highlighter on this morning, so let's just see how this works out. Oh, look at that. Whew. Gorge, gorge, gorge. How did that look? Okay, woo, that was item number 2. We on the roll already. Okay, the next item that we have is by Able Skincare, and it looks like this. And this is the 3-in-1 glycolic acid molecular boost eye serum. That's a mouthful. This eye serum is designed for your delicate eye area. The nutrients are blended specifically to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Glycolic acid aims to penetrate the skin, deeply boosting its firmness whilst contributing to smooth, fine lines, to treat blackheads, dullness, and oiliness. Hold on till you see. How about this one? The manufacturer suggested retail price is $160. Okay? Now, this one has a 6-month shelf life, so it's definitely not time to open this one yet because we are definitely going to get every drop out of this one, okay? And it is cruelty-free. And let's see. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area only. Okay, we're definitely going to be checking into this, and I will let you know. As a matter of fact, I'm almost finished the one that I have. Look, these are some serious claims right here. We do get a lot of eye serums, but they've been pretty pricey, but I'm not sure if I'm at $160. But we'll come back to it and we'll see. Then the next item that we have is by Pearlise, and this is the Moisturizing and Brightening Sheet Mask. Okay? Have lots of these. Improve elasticity and brightness in one single step. Start with cleansed skin. Gently place on face and adjust to fit over eyes, nose, and mouth. Don't rinse. Let your skin absorb the essence by gently massaging it in. Okay? So that's the next item. This one has a 18-month shelf life. This is a Korean product, believe it or not. And it says this natural fiber mask is infused with green tea, vitamin C, and restorative Asian botanicals that deliver antioxidants and minerals to your skin. This powerful blend soothes and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Green tea improves skin elasticity, and vitamin C brightens, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. Now, I love products that have vitamin C in it. Now, but I do need to encourage you, please know your allergies, okay? Because it doesn't matter how good for you something is if you are allergic to it, okay? It's going to turn your world upside down, okay? So just know your skin allergies. I would encourage everyone that uses skincare. They have so many things that are natural products that they're using now, so the shelf life is a lot less. But you really need to know if it's something that you are allergic to, and you don't want to find out when you put it on your skin. So I do encourage you to go ahead and get your get allergy tested so you'll know, okay? Just a sidebar. Okay, then the next item that we have is by Glow, and this is a rich collagen face mask, all right? And it says, this mask is blended with collagen and essential fruit extracts to give you a divine dewy glow on the go. Perfect anytime, right before applying your makeup and an evening out or a simple night in, okay? And this one has a manufacturer suggested retail price of $6. And it has collagen, licorice, apricot, cucumber, and grapefruit. Say it yes. Okay. Now this is a one-use mask, and it says remove after 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So that's the next one. And the last item that we have is by Suva Beauty. And this one is the fictional reality lipstick. It says it is formulated for all-day hydration and flexibility. One smooth stroke of this brilliant color will last you multiple coffees and endless compliments. Okay, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. So let's swatch it and see. Oh yes, that's definitely it. This is definitely it. The shade that I have is Fictional Beauty. All right, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. This is what the liquid lipstick looks like. I love this shade. This is what the lipstick itself looks like, okay? Now, I did show you what the highlighter looks like, but let's go in and swatch a couple of these eyeshadows. Now, I am definitely feeling Rhapsody. Well, if we're going to turn it sideways like a book, we might as well make sure everything is correct, okay? So I'm going to swatch Rhapsody, Rain, and let's choose a matte. Let's check out this Maverick, this yellow one here, because we do like to wear yellows, but sometimes they don't really show up well on our skin tone. Okay. Oh my. This is what they look like on my fingers. Yes. Okay, I'm going to put another, I'm going to do the yellow one again. Add another swatch on top just so you can see it a little better. All right, how about that? Okay, so I have to tell you, I really do like what these shades look like. I like how they went on, and I really like Suva lipsticks, and this one is dry already, okay? So these are the items that are included in our Tribe Beauty Box for the November-December months. Down below, you see the total manufacturer suggested retail value for all the items that were enclosed, okay? Now, I thank you so much for checking out this part. Now, we're gonna jump on to something else, okay? The next thing I have came in this packaging right here, okay, just basic packaging. It's not a reoccurring item, however, y'all remember that I won a wig from ORS? Well, I want to wear this wig, but I want to make sure that I do an amazing job, you know, with it. I really appreciate it. When you see it, you will flip. So I wanted to make sure that I had all of the tools that I needed to really do this wig justice. And so I wanted the easy detangler brush, okay? Definitely wanted it. And the fact that this is a woman of color owned brand, it's an amazing product. I wanted to make sure that I got the original, not a knockoff, the original. Now, I want to share with you, now is a great time to purchase it. They have them on sale, plus there is a coupon code that's there. So I purchased two. Now, wow. Okay. This is the one shade. I have the Easy Detangler Brush Pro is what I purchased. And this is what it looks like out of the package. I did purchase two of them. Okay, one is this beautiful shade of blue and the other one is black, okay? And of course, okay, the sections separate so that you can brush this way or this way, okay? Now, According to this, it says it's an all-new design. These are the things that they've done to improve upon what was already fantastic, okay? And it says the all-new design has intended section making to make it easy to hold during shower or in the bedroom. Then they rearranged rubber placement to ensure extra comfort and grip. The handle is redesigned with your grip and hand placement in mind. Then it says sectioning tip, making it the first ever tool to section and detangle. All right. Now it shows you how to put the locking clip in place. This is the locking clip. Okay. And according to the box, it says locking clip helps stabilize the panels, locate the two lines of pin holes at the back of the brush panels. Lock clip on top line if your hair is short or thin and beautiful just like you. Then the second way is lock clip on the bottom line if your hair is thick and coarse and just fierce. Okay? Then, so that's this piece here. Can you see the holes in the back? Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what is considered long or short, so I'll have to check into that and see, you know, what they determine that to be. So we just take it like this and we're going to slide the clip down into place. This is what it looks like once the clips are in place. Almost have that rake look, okay? And this is the sectioning portion right here. Okay, this curve so you can make your part, then separate it and brush it out. Okay, so I'm ready to use this on this beautiful piece right here so that I can get it going. I have all of my ORS products together. Now I have my easy grip brush, okay? So I'm ready to get this part taken care of. If you'd like to see this, what it looks like, I'll link it above so you can take a look at it. I did tell you they were on sale. Yes, they were on sale for $19. Then I also got a coupon code, and with that coupon code, it took another $6 off, okay? And I paid $13.52 for each one, okay? So it was a fantastic savings. I mean, I paid for both of them less than what the regular price is for one, okay? Yeah, I had to take my hair down so that I would be ready to wear my wig. So I was brushing out pretty good. Okay, now, if you like this makeup look, this was created with the items from the last 2 months Ipsy bags. I used the Arthur Beauty palette. These were the shades that were involved. I'll list down below the ones I used. The foundation, the powder foundation is by Laura Mercier, okay, and that's the shade Toffee. And this lip pencil, not a part of that. This one is from the Godly Glow line, which I absolutely love. Every brown girl ought to have a brown lippy, okay? And Superstay 24-hour color, okay? And this one is in the shade 230, okay? So that is how this look was created. And I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I tried to condense as much as I could into one so I don't have you coming back and forth so much just, you know, to show you one item or whatever. So I fit them all into this. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.